Where's the stick?
It's right there. Go towards the firework box. Right there, Lily.
Throw it, Ryan. No, no, no. Come on.
Get it, Chelsea. I got you on video. World's dumbest.
Last year she was actually trying to bite him. They lost all along in the grass,
Lighter.
What do you say?
Riley.
Please, can I have the lighter?
What's up, Riley?
Have that one go?
Lily, what are you doing?
Nothing.
Say, I'm lighting fireworks, dude.
I'm lighting fireworks.
Dude. Ryan, what are you doing, man? Act excited.
Did you guys quit kind of like stuffing in the hole?
Y'all just like fire.
Could I do a lighter?
Could you do a